Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day, IT related videos and design software related videos and technical related videos for in this kind of electronics, all the things, education and training purpose, business purpose videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see how to install solidcam in solidworks. Okay, I already installed in solidworks and my this computer. Now I am open and check in solidcam there are not. In this solidcam version we have solidworks version we have solidcam in feature, but full feature is not available. So how to we are full feature we get it. Okay, like we install solidcam version. Okay, see this solidcam have, but here no more features not available. Here comes after more features. Okay, now solidworks www.com and solidcam also www.com, go on download. I am already downloaded in solidcam versions and solidworks site inside. Okay, this is a procedure. First install. Okay, just zoom and check it how to. Okay, this is for procedure. Go and install in this application for browse and www.com in the app name. Okay, download and install it first. After second step for this application installed after in downloaded already. Okay, next video we given this part 1. Next video continue. Go and check it.